Hello everyone, Absolutely Clean Window Washing coming to you here with a soft wash cedar shake roof cleaning job here today in North Oaks, Minnesota, near White Bear Lake. And we're just going to walk you around this property. This is the garage side. We'll take you up a little closer to the roof. As you can see, the roof is very discolored, very gray, black, brown. A lot of organisms living on this roof, including moss and lichen and all sorts of contaminants. You can see here we got moss and lichen. This is the back side of the house. Some heavy moss up there. Heavy moss in this area. There's actually some mushrooms even growing up on the roof here. So this is the back side. You can see that eyebrow is pretty bad. We'll take you around this side. This is a before video. We're also going to do an after video. It's really hard to get pictures of this house because of the trees and the way the angles of the sun hit it. As you can see back here, the roof is very black and gray. A lot of moss back here as well, a lot of lichen. There's just a lot of things going on this roof. So this cedar shake roof is about 17 to 20 years old. And it needs a lot of help. So our goal here today is to kill all the organisms living on this roof. Help it stay clean a lot longer. Power washing is just simply not an option with a roof this old and with this much moss on it. These cedar shakes are probably a little too soft to have that done to them right now. And so soft washing is the only way to clean a property like this. You can see this roof here. Got a lot of stuff going on. In the front, there's a lot of dormers up here in the front. And there's a lot of moss up there. There's actually some trees going out of the gutters right there. Sorry about the shaky video, everyone. But again, this is Absolutely Clean Window Washing coming to you here with the Cedar Shake Soft Wash Roof Cleaning job here today in North Oaks, Minnesota. If you have a Cedar Shake roof that needs to be cleaned, please give us a call, 612-919-4185, 612-919-4185. Please stay tuned for the after video, and we're gonna try to do some before and after pictures as well. Thank you so much. Hello everyone, Absolutely Clean coming to you here with an after video of soft wash cedar shake roof cleaning. And this is just a video to show you how beautiful the roof looks after the soft wash process. So all the brown rot fungi, lichen and moss and all the other things such as mushrooms that were living on this roof have all been killed. The roof is bright, just like the original cedar shakes were. Beautiful roof again. This roof should last the homeowner a lot longer now because all the organisms causing decay and rot on the cedar are now killed, and the cedar will now have a chance to dry out. I'll walk you around the property here real quick. Show you the rest of the roofs. Sorry about the sun. There's a lot of sun back here, so it'll be pretty difficult to get a good video back here, but that little eyebrow there stays wet constantly. Again, you can see the golden color the cedar shakes are supposed to be. The eyebrow has a lot of moss and lichen on there that has been killed. You can see some of that stuff. It's now white. You can see the nice golden color that this little section of roof now is. There's a flat rubber roof on top of this porch that we spent a lot of time cleaning. As you can see back here, the roof has been restored to its original golden color. I'm very happy with the results on this home. The homeowner is also very pleased. The roof should last a lot longer now. If you have a property anywhere in Minnesota that you'd like soft wash roof cleaning on, please give us a call. Phone number for us is 612-919-4185. 612-919-4185. I'm taking you around to the front here. 3 dormers, a cupola up there, and I'm very happy with how this roof turned out. As you can see, all the brown rot fungi, all the mold and moss, mildew, lichen, all the things that were growing on this roof have been killed, and the roof has been restored back to its original beautiful golden cedar color. If you have a roof that you want soft washed anywhere in Minnesota, please give us a call. 612-919-4185. 612-919-4185. Thank you for watching this video and have a beautiful day.